Hey y'all, today we're trying a new pizza place, Big Mama's Pizzeria. And I got a deal. It's called the Couch Potato Special, and this is a lot of food, so there's going to be tons of leftovers, which is a good thing. I like leftovers. Oh, can I get it? I did. All right. Here's the utensils. It comes with a 16-inch, one-topping pizza, which I got extra toppings because I'm extra. 15 wings. I got barbecue. A bucket of fries. Not really needed, but hey. And 8 chicken fingers. And it also comes with a knife and fork. I don't know why I need a knife and fork. It also comes with 4 ranch. Ooh, that ranch looks spicy. Woohoo. I'm going to do a little bit of video before I get going. But I just wanted to show y'all what I had. And I got ketchup for my fries. Ooh, I'm excited, y'all. I got pepperoni sausage, banana peppers, and pineapple on my pizza. Alright, I'm going to set this all up and give y'all a nice look at it. Alright. Pause. Okay, y'all. This is everything. It's a lot. And I have a Diet Coke to drink. Because, you know, a diet drink will negate all the other calories. Oh my goodness. Oh, excuse me. Trying to move stuff out of the way. There we go, that's better. Alright, you guys. Alright, I'm going to get a piece of this pizza while it's still nice and hot. Hot and steamy. There's the pineapples. And the banana peppers. Ooh. It's beautiful. Oh, that's actually really good. Okay, good pizza. Y'all, the fries are hot. Crispy. They're crispy and floppy. Some of them are floppy. But they're very well seasoned. As you can tell, I didn't put all the chicken wings on here. I put a lot of the tenders though. And I put lemon pepper on the tenders. Not bad. Let me try the ranch. The lemon pepper's not very strong though. Ooh, that ranch is good. Yum. Very delicious. the couch potato special. I might not be sitting on my sofa. Or my couch. But I'm definitely a couch potato. Now this place did not have great reviews, unfortunately. Had a lot of mixed reviews. The overall rating was 2.9 though. So I was iffy. But they stuck something in my door and I was like, okay, let me go try. Let me try it. Ooh, she's saucy. I didn't get the option to add extra cheese. You don't know, if I would have had that option, there would be extra cheese. But it's really good. It seems to have a nice layer of that cheese grease. Love it. Their sauce is very flavorful. Their pizza sauce is marinara is yummy. Their dough is nice too. It was good pizza. All right, Big Mama. And this is a great deal for like a party. It's probably like 3 or 4 people could eat well on this. Oh yeah, the fries are still hot. The fries are really good. All right, these wings, I was trying to wait a little bit because they're piping hot. Oh. Oh, wow. Those are good wings. Man. Oh, wow. Very good quality wing. Damn. You know, I might take time to give them a review. Excuse me. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like, they did have a few really good reviews. Oh. This would have been fun. Even if I had just ordered pepperoni, it would have been good. It's a big pizza too. Oh, that's good. The banana peppers and the pineapple are cutting through the greasiness of the pizza. Oh my goodness. Yum. Oh, excuse me. That was a big burp. Whoa. Let's see. Oh, their ranch is really good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do one more wing. Slather it in ranch. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh boy. Woo. That's a lot of food. That's a lot. Oh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. Don't expect a lot of flavor from the lemon pepper. It's very, very light. Mm. 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 This was a very satisfying meal. Yes. Mm. Oh, I'm gonna have one more piece of pizza. Mm. Oh. Then I'm gonna have to store the rest of it. Mm. Oh my God. Mm. Oh my God. Mm. Mm. Wow. Mm. Mm. Oh. I'm full. Wow. Mm-hmm. I'm definitely full. Mm. Ooh. Ooh. Mm. So this video is going to be stashed, pre-recorded. Mm. I don't know when it will go up. Today is actually Wednesday. Oh, excuse me. And I did not post a video today. I'm sorry, y'all. First things got kind of mixed around a little bit. My next video that's gonna go up will be up already before this one comes out. Oh, excuse me. And it's gonna be me trying mangoes. that my good friend Nikocado Avocado brought for me. He grew them himself. Lots of different varieties. And they were so good. So I'm excited for y'all to get to see that. And we have another collab together for this channel. 2 more for his channel. And I think maybe a 3rd one that goes with my 3rd collab. But mixed up around in there, maybe next Wednesday. Y'all, I'm getting close to 300K. And I'm going to do a big celebration video. Some of my favorite things. I'm going to have me a steak. Some cake. Steak and cake. So that's going to be fun. But I just figured since I didn't shoot anything yesterday that would have gone up today, I would go ahead and shoot it today. And I thought maybe I would post it sometime today, but it's already getting later in the evening, and I'm just like, there's no point. It's fun. I don't need to post twice a week. Sometimes once a week is okay. But yeah, I'll be looking forward to y'all seeing me try those mangoes. Alright, y'all. I've had enough. Oh, and I didn't really talk about it in the other videos that I shot with Nick, but we did talk about it a little bit on a video that went up on his channel, the first video that went up on his channel. And I'm still nibbling. But yeah. Oh, and he had full permission to post about the occurrence. The apartment right across from me had a fire. It wasn't a bad one, but the firemen came and they had a really hard time getting in there because there's a security door and it was locked, and the maintenance people or security people hadn't come to unlock it. So they were trying to beat their way in there, and it was scary. It was scary, but we were fine. Whenever it started happening, I was in the bedroom getting my makeup on, getting ready to shoot for the day. And Nick came to the back and he said, somebody's out there saying there's a fire. And I was like, oh Lord, that's all I needed. That's all I needed. So, you know, I listened for a little while and I was like, okay, I better get it together and get out there in case I have to evacuate. You know, so I got my phone, which was fully charged. I had my phone cable. And I made my way out here to the living room. And, you know, I would have gotten my purse and everything. But, you know, after what they had, when the firemen came, they had it under control. It was fun. It was fun. But yeah, just one more thing added to the list of things. You know, the universe is going to make dang sure I do not sign another lease for this place. I really should have got out of here before, but, you know, comfort. When you're comfortable, you kind of let stuff go, you know. But from December of 2025 till now, there's been 3 major events. And 4 if you include the bad omen of y'all, there was a dead bird outside my door. Just outside my door. Just dead. Whew. Bad omens. Bad omens. So yeah, I'm looking in Orlando. I'm looking in Missouri because I got a friend there. I'm looking here in Henderson. which is supposedly supposed to be a safer area. You know, safer, hey, come on. But if, you know, I'd like to find a place that's, I don't know, that's got good security. Oh man. Anyhow, so definitely going to be doing a good search. I'm already searching, but the final search is going to come right after the first of the year, because I got to be out of here in spring. My lease is up in spring. Man, the universe almost tried to burn me out of here. I'm like, dang. Yeah, I'll be getting the hell out of here. Oh, that's Susan texting me. But yeah, that's me for now. Just one more thing on my list. Definitely gonna be moving. But anyway, I appreciate you guys. And yeah, this is pre-recorded, so y'all will see this after a couple of other videos have been, you know, after another video with Nick and after my 300K special. And then I have another video with Nick coming. But I love you guys, and thank you again, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye now.